Guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we're going to be installing the Badgekins overlays on the S3. But first, I wanted to show you guys the tires that I had gotten for the E46. So they're right here. They're 205/55 ZR16s. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get to the track on the 8th of September. They kind of canceled because the person who runs the track had to go to a competition with the Drift King. So I guess that sucked out for me. Hopefully we're able to go to the track on the 30th of September at least. That's the next day that he has. Unfortunately, it's a Monday, so it kind of sucks. If I can't go on that, then I'll try to go on October. Hopefully in October he has a weekend, like a Sunday or a Saturday at least. But yeah, let's get to the video. So I've gotten this question a lot in all my comments, especially on Instagram. The comments that I've gotten are, where did you get the tints for the headlights? Or how did you get the daytime running lights? How did you get them yellow? And the way I got them yellow is with this. So Badgekins offers overlays for headlights, emblems, anything like that. So these are the yellow tints that I had on before, which I'm going to be putting back on the car now. And then these are the amber deletes. So I believe the way they go is the yellows go on first and then the amber deletes go on top. I kind of forgot, but we'll figure it out on the way. All right, guys, so before we lay the film, we have to do some preparation. So first we'll hit it with some quick detailer from Meguiar's, and then Badgekins actually brought us some isopropyl alcohol pads. So we'll hit it with those, and then we'll be ready to lay down the film. Well, the air bubbles I'll probably get out after. I just want to make sure that it's lined up properly. I think that's lined up properly, right?
Yeah, that should be good.
On the top and everything?
From there, Alan, look good?
Alright, bro. Yeah, perfect, right to the corner. I forgot what, oh, it was on the Z that it went over. I thought it would have to go over on this one, but I guess not.
Does this thing peel off after?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that looks way better.
Is it on? Yeah, look.
Yeah. All right, guys, we finally put it together, and here is the end result. So those are the amber deletes with the yellow lights. Hello, can you hear me? All right, guys, so we're finally done. I turned on the lights so you guys can kind of take a look at it with the lights on. You can definitely see more of the yellow, and it looks so good. I'm so glad I did it. I had it on before, obviously, like I said, and I took it off. Well, it was taken off, and it's a huge difference from the white to the yellow. I think the yellow adds a touch that just looks so good. So if you guys are interested in the yellow overlays or the amber deletes, they sell them separately. You can go over to badgekins.com and you can order either of them. The next thing I'm going to order from them actually is the overlays for the seats. The seats say the S. I don't think it says the S3. I think it just says the S. Or it might say S3, I don't know, we'll check it out. But either way, I know they have overlays for the seats so you can see it more. So that's definitely something I'm gonna be doing soon as well. So that's pretty much it for today's video. So thank you guys for watching and supporting. Hopefully the next video will be on the track with the E46. If not, the next mod we might do could be the exhaust. I still have to order the part. I keep forgetting or getting lazy to order it, so I don't order it. But hopefully I order it soon. Maybe tonight I'll remember to order it. And then we can do the exhaust on this car, which I'm super excited for because it's a valved exhaust. So hopefully it adds a bit of a difference. Hopefully it's a little more aggressive. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment down below if you have any questions, anything you'd like to see on this channel. And then yeah, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one.